When you buy a 12-inch pan, you expect 12 inches of cooking space. But marketing diameters usually measure the rim, not the actual surface where your food hits the heat. At Wade Media Labs, we decided to give the industry a reality check. We measured 12 popular family sets to find the total cookable surface, the actual flat, usable base of every pan. We didn't just eyeball it. We used precision calipers to map the interior base diameter, excluding the flared transition zone where heat transfer becomes inconsistent and food begins to steam. The results were conclusive. 9 out of the 12 sets were significantly smaller than advertised. On average, consumers are getting 20% less cookable surface than the box claims. It comes down to pan geometry. High, flared walls might look good, but they rob you of vital surface area, forcing your food to crowd and lose that perfect Maillard reaction. Only 3 sets emerged as full volume winners. These pans utilized vertical wall geometry and edge-to-edge cladding to ensure every inch of the advertised diameter is actually usable for searing. Don't buy a label, buy a measurement. In the workshop of the kitchen, geometry dictates performance, and those missing inches will ruin your sear. See the full surface area logs, the geometry charts, and our 3 full volume winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the surface area audit.